What if I told you this isn't just a motorhome? This thing is basically a rolling luxury penthouse on steroids. 2 levels, truck-grade muscle, and enough presence to make supercars pull over just to stare. Welcome back to our channel, and today, we're diving deep into the insane 2026 Scania Double Decker Motorhome, a rig that strut up redefines what life on the road can be. Right from the jump, the exterior is an absolute unit. Built on Scania's heavy-duty truck chassis, this double-decker motorhome looks bold, clean, and futuristic without trying too hard. The front end carries that signature Scania face with a massive grille, sharp LED headlights, and a windshield. That feels more like a command center than a driver's seat. The body lines are smooth and aerodynamic for something this huge. And the paint finishes are next level, whether it's a stealthy matte black, pearl white, or a custom metallic wrap. That screams VIP energy. Massive side mirrors, integrated cameras, flush storage compartments, and high clearance ground effects make this thing look just as capable as it is classy. At night, the LED accent lighting gives it that high-end Jutta wheels vibe, and yeah, it turns heads everywhere, it rolls dot step inside, and that wow factor hits instantly. The lower level welcomes you with a wide, open living area that feels more like a luxury condo than a motorhome. The floors are premium hardwood or high-end vinyl. The walls are finished with soft-touch materials, and the ambient lighting sets the mood perfectly. Plush sofas wrap around a central lounge space, some with recliners and built-in cup holders, while a massive smart TV slides out seamlessly for movie nights on the road. The sound system is crystal clear, booming without distortion, so whether you're watching the game or vibing to music, it hits just right. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light during the day and give you killer views wherever you park. The kitchen area is pure chef mode. You're getting solid surface countertops, soft close cabinets, and enough storage to carry weeks worth of supplies. There's a full-size fridge and freezer combo, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and even a built-in coffee machine depending on the spec. Everything is laid out smart, so cooking on the road doesn't feel cramped or annoying. The finishes feel premium, the appliances are top tier, and honestly, you could throw down a legit dinner in here without breaking a sweat. Now let's talk about the upper deck, because this is where the Scania Double Decker really flexes. Head upstairs, and you're greeted by a private retreat that feels calm, quiet, and crazy comfortable. The main bedroom is spacious, with a king-size bed, luxury mattress, and custom headboard with integrated lighting. Storage is everywhere, from overhead cabinets to full-length wardrobes, so long trips are no problem. The insulation and soundproofing are top-notch, meaning road noise stays outside where it belongs. Some layouts even include a second lounge or office space upstairs, perfect for remote work, gaming, or just chilling away from the main living area. The cockpit is straight up. This is Scania truck engineering at its finest. You've got a digital instrument cluster, massive infotainment screen, navigation optimized for large vehicles, and a steering wheel that feels solid and precise. The driver's seat is fully adjustable, air suspended, and insanely comfortable, so long hauls don't beat you up. Visibility is excellent thanks to that huge windshield and camera systems, making this big beast way easier to handle than you'd expect. Performance-wise, this doesn't mess around. Power comes from Scania's turbocharged diesel engines, typically pushing anywhere from 500 to over 600 horsepower, paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Torque for days means this thing pulls strong even when fully loaded. Despite its size, acceleration is confident, highway cruising is smooth, and stability is rock solid thanks to advanced suspension systems. adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking, and hill hold tech all come standard or optional, making long-distance travels safer and less stressful. Fuel efficiency is surprisingly decent for something this massive, especially when cruising at steady speeds. Now let's talk numbers, because yeah, this level of luxury ain't cheap. Pricing for the 2026 Scania Double Decker Motorhome typically starts around $750,000 and can easily push past the $1 million mark depending on customization. And trust me, most buyers go all in. Custom interiors, premium materials, advanced tech packages, and personalized layouts can send the price soaring. But for what you're getting, it makes sense. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle move. You're basically buying freedom, comfort, and status all wrapped into one monster rig. So who is this motorhome really for? If you're someone who wants maximum space, serious road presence, and luxury without compromise, this thing is it. Full-time RV living, cross-country touring, or even corporate and celebrity use, the Scania Double Decker handles it all like a boss. It's bold, it's refined, and it's built to go the distance. And that's the full breakdown of the 2026 Scania Double Decker Motorhome. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe to Saint Reviews Hub, and drop a comment, letting us know what you think about this absolute beast on wheels. Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and we'll catch you in the next one.